How to spoiler images on Discord mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can spoiler images on Discord mobile. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Discord application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Now you have to go to your text channel. Once you're here, tap on the plus icon at the bottom left corner. From your device, select the image that you want to send. After that, as you can see, this image has been loaded on your interface. Tap on this image. Now from these options available, scroll down a bit and there's an option as mark as spoiler. So tap on that tick mark. Once you have selected that, now if you go back there, you can see the eye icon has been added into your image. Now you could send this image. So that's it. That's how you can make spoiler images on Discord mobile. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.